Alright, game time. So, game highlights, no? So, pass to kayo na drive. Good for 2 points. Pass to Lexus. Good for 2 points. Alright, kayo na ulit. Nice 2. To Lexus again. Nice 2. Kian to Bentosa. Bentosa for 3. Ding ding ding. Goods for 2, 3. Kian to Bentosa. Oops. To Kian. Loriano for 2. Kian Loriano. Pasok. Good for 2. To King and to Ruda. Connect 2 points. To Bentosa. Left hand. Good for 2 points. Bentosa. Pass to Abad. To Ruda. Connect 2 points. Kian Loriano. Loriano pass to Abad. Walang formal. Good for 2 points. Bentosa to Kian. Loriano 2 points. Bentosa. Pass to King Lantexe. No good but foul. Good. Goods yung 3 points, no? Pass to Roda. Roda drive. There you go. 2 points. Loriano. Jelly moves. Loriano 2 points. Loriano. To Kayunan. To Ruda. Connect. 2 points. Kayunan drive. 2 points. Loriano. Kayunan nagmamadali at walang bantay. Easy basket. 2. Roda. Good for 2 points. Bentosa. Pass to Ruda. Ruda back to Bentosa. To Loriano back to Bentosa. Good for 2 points. Ruda to Kayuna. 2 points. Kayuna. No good. Back. Rebound. Another Kayuna. There you go. Rabor. 2 points. Back. Rebound. Rebound to Saysay Rabor. Good for 2 points. Chiala. No good. To Kayuna. Kayuna. Good for 2 points. Nagmamadali. Chiala. Good for 2 points. Rabor. Good for 2 points.
Highlights hatid sa iyo ng Egg and Fresh Hot Plus na Natural.